I believe a lot of you guys like dark mode, especially on the application you use, in the mobile browser you use, or in any type of application, including myself. I like dark mode. So in Canva, there is a new features can turn the whole Canva into the dark mode, right? How to do so is after you log into your account, click on the accounts and go to the account setting. Once you reach the account setting, scroll down, you will see this light and dark mode. If I click on this dark mode itself, it will change everything to the dark mode, right? Right now, let's say if I go back to the home screen, my whole Canva will turn into the dark mode. So as you can see from my Canva right now, everything it turned into the dark mode. If I go to my all your design, all the design that I made previously, it become the dark mode as well. Let's say if I would like to change something in my latest design, once we open, it will become everything in dark mode. Okay, let's say if you don't want the dark mode, you found that the dark mode is not suitable for you, it's very easy. Go back to your home screen. Similar method, we click on our account and click on the account setting. So once we reach the account settings, scroll back here, you can click the light. You can change everything back to the light mode. So right now, I already at the light mode. I go back to my home. I can see that everything is back to the normal, no longer in dark mode. That's all for these features. See you in the next video.